how-to videos. Going to do a how-to today for a JB4. This is the JB4 for a C43 W205 Mercedes C43 AMG. So cut to the chase. The difficult part of this is getting underneath the dashboard and running the wire, which I will allude to in just a moment, which is this wire right here, through. I already took out one of the rubber grommets, so I'm going to show you where this was, how to get this through, because this is not listed on the Berger Motorsports install page. It's the hardest part of it. Everything else is a piece of cake. I'll show you underneath the hood, but I'm going to strap on the headlamp, and hopefully this gives you an indication of how this is done. So let's try and make this as quick as possible. Let's go. You see here, this is the hole. They don't tell you about this. You have to kind of cut through this. It's already perforated, so you can rip through it. But this is just foam deadening, sound deadening material. Kind of see the engine bay from there. So I'm gonna run this sucker through, and we'll have ourselves a blast. All right, so it looks like we kind of have to use two hands. One hand to hold this crap up. I might just use a screwdriver for now. It's kind of a brace. Let's see what I've got here. Let's see if this works. I'm going to use this thing to prop open all the foam. We'll put it back when we're done, but at the moment we need something we can kind of shove in here to prop it up to allow us to work. Free up one of our hands. All right, let's check it out. So it already popped through. Problem with this is the other side of it popped off and it got lost somewhere. So what I'm gonna have to do is go on the forums and post up and just see if someone has the part number for this grommet. I can try and measure a guess. Maybe it's an inch. Anyways, we're probably gonna need one of these in order to seal this off. You don't want to have this open, so this could happen in the process. I would highly recommend you purchasing one of these. Don't be like me and then be like, oh crap, I can try and shut it from the other side, but this doesn't help. Anyways, I got the part through. This was the pain in the ass that I needed to get through here. Situation looks like up in here. All right, so we kind of need that to be plugged in. Yes, if you wanted to make it easy, can you run it through here? There we go. It's on. It's on, boy. You can see, try my best to seal this from this side, although I don't know how it'll work. Let's give it a shot. Wish I had a GoPro helmet that had a light on it. Looks like it's sealed now. All right. The next step of the install is let's get this sucker bolted up and running. I think you only use 2 of these. I think the third would just kind of leave as is. So let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, this is the Bluetooth piece. As I mentioned, the kit that comes with it, you just run this wire, blue wire, over to the red wire, tap it in, very easy, no nonsense. Alright, let's connect this sucker later. First order of business, shoving all of these freaking wires through that rubber grommet, which is needed. So to start this process, I'm going to shove one by one. I cut this with a pair of box cutters. And this is the easiest way. Yank this thing up, run them all through. And then, this is a pain. Don't try and do this without this step. Run all these suckers underneath. Every single one of them. Alright, so next steps. Running every little thing through the rubber grommet. Start with this little one. This is necessary so it fits in your engine bay and looks clean. Always order another one of these parts when you're done. But for now, let's do this. Alright, one by one. This one connects to the closest sensor. Alright, next order of business, put these through. There we go. Finally got it. Okay. Okay. This thing comes right off. Bye-bye. You see that? Flipped up. Put the screwdriver in here. Pull it back. Uh-oh. Okay, so let's run this thing through right here. I just look as stealthy as possible, just in case. You never know. This is the rainbow connection. One goes in here. Oh. Simple as that. It's plugged in here. So I'll throw it in one of those white pieces for my screw up. Note to self: don't forcefully use the screwdriver in that manner. Alright, that's one. Push that thing on. Good, we're locked, we're loaded. Alright, B. Purple wire patch, 3 positions, connects to cam sensor B. That's the purple wire patch. Alright, so this one I'm going to have to kind of dig open a little bit. Okay, let's check it out. Put this sucker in here, push it down, pull back, doesn't work, apply more pressure, boom, off. Looks like I already lost one of them. Okay then. This thing works brilliant. The ECU in the engine never sees more than stock boost. This factory computer regulates it, overrides it, and still sends back normal readings. Gotta love it. Alright, push that in, all done. Very easy. Next one, ground wire patch, 3 positions. Connect to T-map sensor B. This isn't used. Stick this stick this over here for now. It's not used, but it is what it is. The brown wire patch, sensor C. Oh, I see sensor C, but that's it down there. It's the T-map sensor right here. There we go. And it's off. Off to the races. Brown wire sensor. Plug it in. Nope, other way. Locked for security. This new one goes right on here. There we go. All right, so that's on, and we're done. Believe it or not, JB4 install. And we'll next go through tunes and all that fun stuff. For now, take this thing. Sure, it's in a good spot. It's not going anywhere. I've had that there for about 10,000 miles, so. Anybody knows how to get this thing off easily, let me know. It's a pain in the ass. I just give up. Let's lock it there. Not showing any signs of entry. Connect. And look at that. Ready to roll. Alright guys, that about concludes my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. This about does it for this JB4 install. Hope you guys liked it, and we'll be keeping in touch with more videos for the C-Class Mercedes. Bye.